you looking for the perfect investment property or family home? 202 Gillam Street has it all. With internal stairs, walking distance to Frenchville State School, on a corner 600 square metre block, you're going to want to check this one out.
This large family home delivers in space, with the kitchen, dining, lounge, office, plus 3 rooms upstairs and even more down. We're super excited to bring this beautiful double-storey home in Frenchville to you. If you'd like more information, reach out to any of us at the team at the agency.